We were sent these protective sleeves for your arms, and I literally just opened them out of the pack. It comes with 8 of them, and I've just opened this one. And honestly, I wish you could feel this material. It is buttery smooth. I read that it is made from cotton, nylon, rayon, so it's got that beautiful stretch. Look at that. You go this way, it even really stretches out this way, so it's definitely going to fit a wide array of people. I have pretty large arms, so we're gonna go ahead and try and see. Look at that. Goes on nice and easy, and I do love that you have the piece up here where it is a little bit tighter, so it's gonna stay. So it's not gonna consistently be rolling down my arm. So you're probably wondering, why do I need these? These are perfect for any kind of use when you are outdoors. Think about it, gardening. You want to have those arm protected when you're playing sports. I'm thinking about if I'm playing some sports and my arm is rubbing, that will keep it nice and protected. When you're driving in a car, road trip, you've got those rays coming through the car, you want to keep those arms protected. I hate wearing sunscreen. You get oily, slimy, sticky. This right here is that perfect solution. Very breathable, it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything, and my arms are gonna be nice and protected. These are awesome.